Hello everyone, welcome back to the map of mathematics. In this video we are going to solve this nice algebra problem, and here we have 3 to the power of p minus 2 to the power of p is equal to 65, and we will solve this problem for the value of p. So the very first thing we are going to do is here I will rewrite the left hand side in the form of I can just multiply and divide its exponent by 2, so that we will write it as 3 to the power of p over 2 and its whole square, because here just I can multiply this exponent by 2, multiply and divide by 2, so we can write in this form. Similarly, we can take the same step on this term and we get here 2 to the power of p over 2 and its whole square is equal to 65. And after that I will simplify the term, and I can just take here x is equal to 3 to the power of p over 2, and I can take y is equal to 2 to the power of p over 2. So I will make these two substitutions in this equation, and the output will becomes in this form, because here when we take this is equal to x, so it will becomes x square minus, when we take here this is y, it will becomes y square is equals to 65. And after that we will apply here the nice square identity. You know about this identity. If we have a square minus b square, it is equals to a minus b times of a plus b. So now I can just apply here this nice identity in the left hand side of this equation, so that it will becomes x plus y times of x minus y is equals to, here you have 65, and I can write this 65 as 13 times of 5, because in the left hand side we have two factors and we need two factors in the right hand side, so that in order to make the two factors in the right hand side, I can write 65 as 13 times of 5. So that the next step is we can compare both of the factors on both of the sides, so that here you get x plus y is equals to 13, and you get here x minus y is equals to 5. I can name this as equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. So after that we will find the value of x and y by solving these two linear equations, so that first I will add equation number 1 and equation number 2. So after adding these two equations, you can see here this positive y and negative y are gone, and this x plus x will becomes 2x is equals to 13 plus 5 is equals to 18, and here you get the value of x is 9. Similarly, you can subtract these two equations. When we subtract equation number 1 by equation number 2, then you can see here when you subtract these two, it means that the sign of the equations will be changed. So this will be positive x and this is negative x, so these two are cancelled out each other, and here we get y plus y is 2y is equal to 13 minus 5, and the 13 minus 5 is equal to 8, so that here you get the value of y is, when we can divide this 2 on right side, so it will becomes y is equals to 4. So these are the two values of x and y. So x is 9 and y is 4, and now we back substitute the values of x and y. In the start of the question we will take here x is equal to 3 to the power of p over 2 and y is equal to 2 to the power of p over 2. We will back substitute these two values, and here you have the value of x is 3 to the power of p over 2 is equal to 9, and the value of y is 2 to the power of p over 2 is equal to 4. So first I will solve this case, and here you have 9 and we will write it as 3 square. And now you compare both of the sides. So the bases on both of the sides are same, so that we will equate its exponents. So this will be implies that p over 2 is equal to 2, and we move this 2 in the right hand side and it will becomes p is equal to 2 times of 2 is 4. So this is the one solution of the given equation. So now we will solve the other case. So in this case you have 4 and we will rewrite this 4 as 2 square. So similarly again you focus on both of the sides. So bases on both of the sides are same, so its exponents are equals to each other, and we get p over 2 is equals to 2. And here you again move this 2 in the right hand side and you will get here p is equals to 4. So here you have only one solution, which is p is equal to 4 in this question. So this is our final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel for more exciting videos.